Model, 71 plate MAN Volkswagen Crafter logo TGE 3 absolute bargain grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 91,884. Engine, 1968 cc DAUA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. However, there is oil mixing with the coolant. The oil cooler has just been replaced, so not sure if the oil just needs time to clear out of the system. It still starts and drives absolutely brilliantly. You would not know anything what's wrong with it, however. Please buy this on the basis it could possibly need a head gasket, which is not a difficult job at all. This is exactly the same as a Volkswagen Crafter, just the badges are different. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper,